Today I'm going to speak about COPD. So basically COPD क्या होता है? COPD is a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease which is heterogeneous disorder characterized by chronic respiratory symptoms such as dyspnea यानी सांस फूलना और बार बार से खांसी आना, which occurs due to airway and or alveolar abnormalities. According to GOLD, which is a global initiative for COPD 2023 report, it is third most common leading cause of death in the world. 3.4 million people died due to COPD annually, and by the year 2060, GOLD has predicted deaths due to COPD will be raised to 5.4 million people. It is mainly occurred in the patients with smoker, but also seen in India. It is seen in non-smoker patients. It is common in patients with age more than 40 years and male patients, but also seen in female patients also. And symptoms are chronic cough, shortness of breath which is persistent or progressive unlike asthma, sputum production, recurrent wheeze and chest tightness, fatigue, weight loss and muscle mass loss, and some patients will be present with fever. After investigations and routine history, we would like to go for investigation. Investigations include spirometry to check the obstruction level of the airways. According to GOLD, we divide the patient into stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Apart from spirometry, we have DLCO, blood gas analysis, IOS or exercise capacity testing or blood investigations. Also chest X-ray and HRCT is needed in some patients. In treatment, we have pharmacological as well as non-pharmacological measures. In pharmacological measures, we have to see if the patients stable or if the patients are in exacerbation. In exacerbation means acute worsening of the symptoms, which leads to increase in shortness of breath or increase in cough production or change in the color or consistency. In exacerbation, we divide into mild, moderate and severe. Mild or moderate patients generally घर पे ठीक हो जाते हैं with the help of inhaled bronchodilators, but in severe patients we have to admit them into hospital. In stable patients, we divide, according to GOLD, we divide these patients into 3 groups, A, B and E groups. In all the groups we require inhaled bronchodilator. With inhaler की help से इन patients को bronchodilators दिया जाता है. Inhalers regularly और adequate amount में और with proper technique use करना चाहिए. Apart from inhalers, we have theophylline groups of drugs and mucoregulators. In supportive therapy, we have oxygen therapy, ventilation support, or surgical treatment with lung volume reduction surgeries. For prevention and non-pharmacological treatment, we have smoking cessation with the help of nicotine replacement therapy, और जिसको हम निकोटेक्स गम या निकोटेक्स पैच लगा के स्मोकिंग सेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. Apart from smoking cessations, we have to use inhaler regularly and with proper technique to prevent exacerbation. We have vaccination. GOLD recommends pneumococcal and H-influenza as well as Tdap vaccination in all the patients of COPD. We should give these patients nutritional supports, as well as some patients require long-term oxygen therapy at home who remains hypoxic. And some patients also require emotional as well as psychological support, and pulmonary rehabilitation. Pulmonary rehabilitation is the most important part of non-pharmacological treatment. In such patients, we prescribe deep breathing exercises with partial breathing or diaphragmatic breathing, along with limb physiotherapy. Recently we celebrated World COPD Day in November only. The theme for this year is Your Lungs for Life.